Knight family continues to mourn the death of Ruel Knight, who was shot and killed in this very spot on Monday by his father. Family members say they are devastated by the incident, which has left them in disbelief.
When CVM Live arrived at the establishment on Wednesday, bloodstains were still on the ground where Ruel fell upon being shot. A CCTV camera captured the incident. CVM Live understands that the recording was released after the family got information that the father said he killed Ruel in self-defense. Ruel Knight is Ruel's brother. He says he was there when his father killed his brother.
Okay, so what did your father say to you when he was leaving?
Yeah, the man said for meet him at the station. At that time, it's not even record, you know. That's not even record. The whole thing, me just say, I want to carry my brother to the hospital. You understand? That alone, I want him to live.
He alleges that it's not the first time his father is pulling his gun and even firing warning shots during disputes with family members. Family members say Ruel is also a licensed firearm holder, and after his father pulled his gun, he raised his hands signaling to his father that he is not armed. But they explain that the father has always been an aggressor.
He come here and say, little time when he come here, be a problem in almost every sales rep can tell you, oh, them get a dose and cost you.
As he explained what happened, Rowan recounts his brother's final moments.
The one thing, last thing my brother said, man, him shot me. Alone, him say nothing else. And him go up on the ground and nothing else him say.
Rowan says Ruel's sons was at the establishment doing online classes when his grandfather shot his father. According to the family, the dispute reportedly began after the father pushed a crate, hitting a female worker. Rowan said he told his father that what he did was wrong, which led to an argument. Later, Ruel reportedly attempted to de-escalate the argument while agreeing with his brother that what their father did was wrong, and that's when things got bloody. Christine Forbes for CVM Live.